Are we live? I think we are live now. Let's see. Trying to get myself live here. I do believe we are live. A live situation. All right. I wanted to cover this story here where we talked about the volcano. Hello, Marlove82. We talked about this volcano in Hawaii erupting. I wanted to talk about it a little bit on this. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you for sharing me out. I've been working a lot. I can't really go live very often. But let me share this story. Anyone may want to see it later. We talked about the volcano in Hawaii erupting about a week ago here on my channel. And, well, there's a development, what I call a development. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Volcanic gas from Mauna Loa eruption in Hawaii begins to cover the U.S. And it's volcanic gas. It's not healthy for you at all. Thank you. I wanted to read the details about it. Hello, Marlove82 and Bernie Pogge. Hello. Thank you. His Highness, good to see you. I noticed you commented on my other channel on a video, His Highness. I think that was yesterday. VLA Rains, hello, howdy from Oklahoma. Well, thank you. Howdy from South Carolina. Thank y'all for coming in. But yeah, I covered this eruption, the Mauna Loa volcano in Hawaii on the Big Island. It's been erupting again, and they were worried about a major eruption. Faith Diaz, hello. Thank y'all. I'm gonna read the story, and like I say, I've been working 10-hour days. I go live normally for an hour and a half, 2 hours on Sunday nights. In case you've been missing me. But yeah, let me cover this story. Volcanic gas from Mauna Loa eruption in Hawaii begins to cover the continental U.S. See this? It's coming my way. All this is gases from that volcano. I'm going to read it. Platform illustrates Sentinel-5 satellite data that shows SO2 gas rising up from Mauna Loa. SO2 gas is beginning to enlarge portions of the United States mainland. This picture is as of December the 2nd data. So yeah, this is several days behind all this gas. But let me go on with the story. While the incredible eruption of the world's largest volcano, Mauna Loa, on the Big Island of Hawaii, is creating incredible photographs and videos that are being shared online with lava fountains and glowing lava rivers that stretch for miles. Something much less visible is spewing from the volcano. Satellites are tracking another hazard from the volcano as a potentially toxic plume. A toxic plume rises from the volcano and makes its way, it says, around the earth. Okay, well, I know a lot of flat earthers are here. Based on data captured by the Sentinel-5 Earth observing satellite, the potentially toxic flume of sulfur dioxide has made its way spreading over the large parts of the United States. Sulfur dioxide. Kimberly Labo, hello. Thank y'all. Thank you very much. Vernie Pogge, thank you. His Highness, everyone, y'all please hit that thumbs up for me, please. The Atom platform has been sharing images reflecting the volume of sulfur dioxide leaving the Hawaiian volcano as it spreads over the eastern Pacific Ocean and western portions of central North America. Imagery captured on December 2nd. Also, and I got this today, and that's imagery from December 2nd. I wonder what the imagery today would look like. This tracking this sulfur dioxide shows a band of concentrated SO2 emissions spreading across the American Southwest. Much of the Central Plains and Mississippi River Valley are now moving into the United States East Coast. And that's where I'm at, y'all. You know that stuff's got to come down sooner or later, or it mixes in the atmosphere. The Atom platform is using data from the Sentinel-5 precursor satellite, also known as Sentinel-5P, which was launched by the European Space Agency. All right, here's the effects of sulfur dioxide. It affects human health when it is breathed in. It irritates the nose, the throat, and airways to cause coughing, wheezing, shortness of breath, or a tight feeling around the chest. The effects of sulfur dioxide are felt very quickly, and most people would feel the worst symptoms in 10 or 15 minutes after breathing it in. Those most at risk of developing problems are if they are exposed to sulfur dioxide or people with asthma or similar conditions. Extreme concentrations of sulfur dioxide can be deadly if inhaled. When combined with other substances, additional hazards can be created. As an example, rain falling through a sulfur dioxide plume could produce an acid rainfall. Sulfur dioxide is invisible to the human eye, but when it reacts with other gases, aerosol particles can form to cause haze, and according to NASA, in extreme widespread events, climate cooling. So yeah, not only do we have chemtrails and all that they dumping in the air, we have this sulfur dioxide now that's coming from the volcano in Hawaii. Let me go ahead and finish the story up. During the May 2018 eruption of Hawaii's Kilauea volcano's lower east rift zone, sulfur dioxide was covering the surface in a residential neighborhood from erupting fissures. During that eruption, a plume of sulfur dioxide was detected by the ozone mapper profiler by satellite. During the height of that eruption in 2018, during the spring and summer, authorities evacuated people from the danger sulfur dioxide posed. And that was in Hawaii. But yeah, now this is in 2022, and it's over the United States, sulfur dioxide. Thus far, in the 2022 eruption of Mauna Loa, winds have been cooperating for residents and visitors on the Big Island. For now, steam and gas rising up from the volcano has been heading straight up into the sky. From there, it has been captured by high altitude winds that carry much of the volcanic eruptions emissions west. But the United States is east. All right, let me keep reading and see. Somewhat heavier volcanic debris, such as Peely's hair, strands of volcanic glass, have drifted down to the surface of the Big Island. As weather conditions change in Hawaii, the presence of SO2 and volcanic haze or VOG may also increase around not only the Big Island, but the rest of Hawaii too. In case you just came in, SO2 is sulfur dioxide. In the journal Thin Solid Films, Peter Ward published a report in 2019 on how sulfur dioxide initiates global climate change in 4 ways. All major historic volcanic eruptions have formed sulfuric acid aerosols in the lower stratosphere that cooled the Earth's surface 0.5 degrees Celsius for typically 3 years, while such events are currently happening once every 80 years. There are times in geologic history when they occurred every few to a dozen years. Those were times when the Earth were cooled incrementally into major ice ages, so they say. Of course, the Earth has changed hundreds of thousands of times over hundreds of thousands of years. Climate change is nothing new, and it's not man-made. It's the new climate change. But I won't read all that. It is too soon to determine what impacts this plume of sulfur dioxide from Mauna Loa will have on global climate and whether any significant cooling or even warming could occur. Yeah, that's right. But I just wanted to pretty much cover this tonight. Even small eruptions could have an impact on global climate and weather. An eruption in the Caribbean in the spring of 2021 sent gas and ash into the atmosphere. Science from around the globe are still studying that relatively smaller eruption to determine what, if any, the global impacts from it could be. While the 809 tons a day of carbon, what we call it, SO2 that came from the sulfury volcano, there pales in comparison to the 15 to 20 million tons ejected from Mount Pinatubo. It's possible there could be lingering global impacts. United States Geological Survey reports that Mauna Loa sulfur dioxide, which is SO2 emission rates, are now at approximately 180,000 tons per day, based on the measurements captured on December the 1st. Exactly how much gas is released and where in the atmosphere it is inserted will be the key to determining what long-range impacts this single volcano will have. That's it, y'all. I wanted to report on this volcano. This plume is over the United States of sulfur dioxide. But anyway, thank y'all for coming in. I appreciate it. Kimberly Level, Faith Diaz, Vernie Pogge, His Highness, thank you. Linda DeBose, hello. Good to see you. Fatty McButterpants. Thank you for becoming a member of my channel, Fatty McButterpants. Space Rangers Recording Studio. It's good to see you, Linda DeBose. How's everything going over there? Chona in Thailand, hello. Uh-oh. Thank you, Chona in Thailand. Thank you, Rudy. Hello, Rudy. Rudy Araheta, thank you. Thank y'all for coming in. I appreciate it. Y'all have a wonderful night. Like forest fire smoke, but much deadlier. Yeah, this here, let me take my, I wanted y'all to see my little background, y'all. Cold one day, hot the next. But yeah, in case you just was coming in, I wanted y'all to know that volcanic gas from Mauna Loa eruption in Hawaii begins to cover the continental U.S. Let me check my Twitter page here in a minute and see if there's anything new. Y'all like my ribbons and bow? Yeah, I have a little Christmas decoration up here, y'all. Ribbons and bow. Sarah, normally what? I was wondering where those clouds came from. Oh, yeah. It's sulfur dioxide over the United States. Let me look real quick. I'm losing everybody. I had 10 or 12 people in here, but it's all good. Let me look at this real quick on Twitter. Volcano in Hawaii. And I'll let y'all go. Yes, I will. Let's see what the volcano looks like on Twitter here. It might not show it because it. All right, yeah, this is still a little bit of eruption from. But in case y'all didn't know, the volcano that's going off in Hawaii on the Big Island, it could turn more deadly or whatever, you know. It could get better, it could get worse. But this is a flow off of it. In case y'all didn't know this was happening, this is happening. I covered this like, I don't know, a couple weeks ago on my channel, right here on Super Dave 44. I sure did. And, well, you know now.
Look at that. There we go.
But, yeah, that's pretty much it. Hawaii's Big Island abuzz over simultaneous eruptions at Mauna Loa. Simultaneous eruptions. The goddess of fire is alive and well on Hawaii's Big Island, where two of the most famous volcanoes in the world are erupting at the same time. How about that? It's two volcanoes. It sure is. The world's largest active volcano, Mauna Loa, continues to erupt in Hawaii. See how that smoke? The wind's not really blowing, and they said in the smoke, it's, you know, the gas is from this volcano is over the United States. So yeah, that's what I wanted to pretty much let y'all know. Just be careful out there, y'all. You know, our clouds may not even be normal. Like the sand, you know, the sand dust storms coming off the Africa, the Sahara. Well, this here, it could just white out everything. I don't know. I really don't know. But if your skies have been whited out, this may have a lot to do with it over the United States. Y'all don't miss Sunday night now. I have live streams on Sunday nights. And I like to stay a while. I like to entertain. We have questions. Maybe this Sunday I'll continue the Christmas trivia. Yeah. So hope to catch y'all Sunday, and coming in the next week or so, maybe around the 18th or the 19th. I'm going to have a drive-through for the biggest Christmas light show on YouTube. Yeah. So if you like Christmas lights, it'll be over 1 million lights that we're going to be driving through. So y'all stick with my channel, and there's a lot of fun coming, y'all. So thank you everyone for coming in. Cold one day, hot the next. Bernie Poggy, thank you. Naz Lover, you coming in just when I end the live stream in just a moment. Go ahead and check out my bow and my ribbons. I may get a Christmas tree and put over here yet. So I like to have fun with y'all. Thank y'all, crystals, pets, and plants. Hello, how are you? Thank y'all, and please hit that thumbs up. Y'all rock, man. Thank y'all. But I don't know which. I'm looking at your channel, Sarah. Normally, you have 75 subscribers. Let me go back to the picture. Just to recap. I want y'all to be aware what's way up in the atmosphere. Just to recap. That's all it is. Right here we go. I found this story today, and I wanted everyone to be aware. Volcanic gas from Mauna Loa eruption in Hawaii begins to cover the continental U.S. This was like December the 1st or the 2nd. So yeah, I need an updated picture. But just to let y'all be aware for real, yeah, this sulfur dioxide is over our skies, or in our skies, over America. So, yep, that's the recap, y'all. William Noel, thank you for coming in, sir. Hope to catch you Sunday night. Y'all come in. We might finish up some Christmas trivia. Yeah, have like part 2. So, y'all come in and share me out, and let's see how many we can get answering Christmas trivia. I may do like an hour and a half of it. That way it'd be, competition wise, and everybody will have a fair chance. Y'all have a wonderful night. Please hit that thumbs up and come back to see me, y'all. Thank y'all.